Welcome to the future. Today we are diving into the Lovot. Lovot by Group X is a social robot designed to provide companionship and emotional support to its users. It was created by Japanese robotics engineer Kanami Hayashi and was first introduced in 2018. The Lovot robot is designed to look like a cute fluffy creature with large eyes and a round body. It is equipped with sensors that allow it to detect human presence and respond to touch, sound, and movement. The robot can also recognize faces and voices, allowing it to interact with its users in a more personalized way. One of the key features of Lovot is its ability to express emotions. The robot can display a range of emotions through its movements and sounds, such as happiness, sadness, and excitement. This makes it an ideal companion for people who may be feeling lonely or isolated. Lovot also has the ability to learn from its interactions with humans. Over time, it can develop a unique personality based on the preferences of its user. For example, if a user likes to play music around Lovot, the robot may start dancing when it hears music in the future. In addition to providing emotional support, Lovot also has practical uses. It can be used as a security device by detecting intruders or as a monitoring device for elderly or disabled individuals. Overall, Lovot by Group X is an innovative social robot that provides companionship and emotional support while also offering practical benefits. Its cute design and expressive personality make it an appealing addition to any household or workplace. Thanks for watching in, and don't forget to subscribe.